3634. I had visual confirmation of the drone above us. How copy?
Project Flytrap is an operation that's centered around new equipment testing and new equipment fielding of counter UAS systems. The Army is taking a look as a whole across the spectrum of what could potentially be utilized in the future. The Army is currently going through an innovation period where we're trying to put these counter UAS systems into the hands of the soldier, the end user on the ground.
In the LSCO fight, the large-scale combat operations fight, every single soldier needs to be a counter UAS expert.
The purpose of Project Flytrap is to develop counter UAS solutions for not only the US Army, but also NATO allies. The objective for us is to determine which technologies to invest in to better understand the capabilities and limitations of the ideas that we have out here, and to hopefully carry that forward to develop a more refined solution in the future.
Flytrap 3.0, we learn how to apply these tactically after we've gotten the information that they need from 2.0.
I think if you could extract anything critical from 3.0, it's probably the ability to field counter UAS systems in mobile platforms. So the counter UAS systems that we're currently testing and fielding are definitely a combat multiplier.
War is changing. I'm an infantry guy. We're going to have to take it out and see how this affects us on the battlefield, if we can maneuver with it and stuff like that. So this is what we're trying to create right now.